Hey guys, it's me, Brandy. I am so excited to show you my Copacetic Cosmetics order. It came in today, and I'm super duper excited. Oh, I gotta open it. Shoot. I'm super excited because I got some things in this order that I've never ever tried before, and I am super excited about that. So let's see. It says, we can't wait to see what looks you create. Follow us. Follow us. And then looks like Olivia packed my order and it just says thank you. So I am super excited. And then of course, their adorable little card. And their little sticker, which I have in my water bottle. I save every single slip that I get from them, as well as just a lot of the stuff that I get from them. So I am super excited to see. I don't remember everything I got, so I'm excited to see what I got. Oh, everything is falling. Oh, I think I was supposed to get two. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I did get. I'm missing one of the highlighters. I do know that they've had a huge amount of orders lately, so that definitely causes, I don't know, they're just like growing pains, basically. They're getting much, much bigger, and it's a little bit harder to keep up with, orders and stuff like that. So, let's see. So I ordered these little spell vials. And I really want to see, I'm pretty sure it's kind of like loose pigments, which I am excited about. So here's one. Oh. I am excited about these. And then we have love. We had wisdom, love. Gosh, they all look white, so I'm hoping that they're not going to all be white. All right. So I have, this one is called Purity. And then I have Wealth. And we have Power. I think I should probably be doing this with a glitter glue. As a matter of fact, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this off. Yeah, so let's try this again. I'm going to use my BH Cosmetics. And we're just going to go ahead and put that on. Alright, so we've got... I don't know how to do this. Okay. I think this is going to be a learning curve. So I'm going to have to try to figure out how to use this. Maybe with some mixing medium. I think that was Purity. All right. And we're going to do Wealth next. Oh, those are pretty though. Holy moly. Okay. Next we have Youth. And this one should be purple-ish. Kind of bluish too, maybe. Then we have Love. And then last we have Wisdom. We'll put Wisdom up here. Those are the spell vials. They're really pretty. I'm going to have to figure out how to work with them. I'm sure I'll be able to work with them just fine. I just have to figure it out. Oh, I got them all over my face. The highlighter that I got is Mantua. And that is Mantua. I really love their highlighters. That's why I've been wanting that Zombie Boogers for a really long time. So I'm excited about getting it finally. And then I have the $10 or the $2 Tuesday, which I am excited about these. All right, so we have Eaters of Light, which is this bright orange. That's what it looks like on my finger. We have Weeping Angels, which is a green. So pretty. Look at that on my finger. Next we have Dalek, just really beautiful purple. Next I have Missy, which is like a fuchsia. Ooh, that's pretty. And then last but not least, we have the Brains. So there we go. That is most of my Copacetic order. There we go. Those are really pretty. I'm going to put those in my Copacetic container, my bag, my Copacetic, what do you call it? My Copacetic empty, well, it's not empty, but my Copacetic palette. And that will be that. Thank you so much for watching. Please have a wonderful night, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.